Hello, kids. I hope you are all fine. So, today we are going to start with a new topic that is about directions. So, today we are going to learn about the direction. So, why do we use direction? Is to find the way. So, to find the way, we will use the directions. So, let us learn about direction. So, here Reena wants to go to Raj house. So Reena is asking the direction to Raj house. Raj, I want the direction to your house. Reena is asking that she want the direction to Raj house. So Raj is saying, Reena, when you reach the post office, turn left. When you come to the end of the road, turn right. It is the second house on the left. So Raj says to Reena that when you reach the post office, there is a post office. When you reach the post office, turn left. So when she reached the post office, she should turn left. When you come to the end of the road, turn right. So this is the end of the road. When she reached to the end of the road, she should turn right. So this is right. So it is a second house on the left. So this is the first house. So this is the second house to the left. This is left. So that Raj used some words that right, left, right. Yes. So what are these words? Yes, they are words used to give directions. So right, left are the words used to give directions. So children, do you know which is your right hand and which is your left hand? So this is my right hand and this is my left hand. So this is my right hand. In this hand I am writing. This is my left hand. Okay, this is my right hand. This is my left hand. Now can you say which is your right hand and which is your left hand? Yes. So to make you understand better, so here is a picture. See the picture properly. So these children are standing on the field. Okay. So answer my question now. Okay. So she is Kanta. So middle she is Kanta. So Kanta is standing in the middle. So she is Kanta. She is standing in the middle. So who is standing on Kanta's left side? Is who is standing on the left side of Kanta? So to make you understand, so this is Kanta's right hand. So this is Kanta's left hand. So who is standing on Kanta's left? Yes, so it is a left hand, right? So who is standing to the left of Kanta? Yes, Pooja is standing to the left of Kanta. Yes, who is standing to the right of Kanta? Yes, Bishwa. So this is her right hand, right? So this is her right hand. So who is standing to the right? Yes, Bishwa is standing to the right of Kanta. So who is standing in front of Kanta? So which is the front of Kanta? This is front of Kanta, right? Yes, who is standing in front of Kanta? Yes, Ram is standing in front of Kanta. So who is standing behind Kanta? Behind means back. Who is standing behind Kanta? Yes, Taida is standing behind Kanta. So now you understand which is right, which is left direction. Yes. So right hand will always show the right direction. Left hand will show us the left direction. So who is standing to the right of Kanta? is Bishwa. To the left of Kanta is Pooja. So left hand is left direction, right hand is right direction. So behind is your back, is to the front is your front. So now you understand? Yes. So if you know this right, left and behind and front, then you can find out the way properly. So we will use the position of our body to tell the directions. Okay, we will use the position left, right, front, back to tell the direction in which someone is standing or someone is sitting. So now we are all watching the video, right? Yes. So can you say now, what is there towards your right? What is there towards your left? Yes, what is there in front of you? Yes, what is there behind you? Yes. Okay. So now let us learn about the four major directions. So which are the four major direction? It is north, south, east and west. How do we find out this north, south, east and west? How do we know that this is north, this is south and this is east and this is west? Let us learn about these directions. Okay. So here in this picture you can see she is Rama. So she is facing the rising sun. Which direction she is facing? She is facing towards the sun rising. So where does the sun rise? Yes, you should know that. Where does the sun rise? Yes, sun rises in the east direction. Yes, where does the sun set? Yes, sun set in the west direction. Yes. So we can find the directions by looking at the position of the sun in the sky in the morning or evening. So the sun always rises in the east and set in the west. So if you look at the sun early in the morning, so go and stand in front of the house. So your front of the house is always face towards the rising sun. So your front of the house is facing towards the rising sun. So it is the east direction. Your back of the house is west direction. So now you go and stand in front of your house. Okay. Then, so you're facing to which direction now? As it is east direction. Now lift your two hands. Now you are facing towards which direction? As you are facing to the east direction. Now you are standing in front of your house, right? As always your front of the house is facing to the rising sun. So now you are facing to the east. So now what is your back? As your back side is your west. Okay. You have lifted your two hands, right? Yes. Which is your right hand now? Yes. So your right hand will shows the south and your left hand will shows the north direction. So your right hand will always shows the south direction and your left hand will shows the north direction. Your back is west, in front is east. So when you face towards the rising sun, so sun will always rise in the east. So sun will change its direction? No, it will not change its direction. Sun will always rise in the east and set in the west. So when you face to the sun, so it is your east, your back is west, your right hand is south and your left hand is north. Okay, now do the same experiment in the evening. Now you face towards the sunset. Now you face towards the sunset in the evening. You face towards the sunset. Your face should be at the sunset. So now you're facing to the which side? Yes, you're facing to the west side. And your back is? Yes, your back is now east. And your right hand is? Yes, to the north. And your left hand is, yes, your left hand is now south. Okay. Yes, now I hope all have understood this. So, how to find north, south, and east major directions? Understood? Yes. I hope all have understood the chapter. Thank you. Have a great day.